They told me it didn't exist. A ghost train.
Not Shanghai, not Beijing. Yumen, a ghost city, perfect for a secret Hyperloop. The idea is 200 years old. Musk made it famous. But China made it real. 3 engineers have retired early from this project. 2 won't talk. 1 disappeared. Deep within the endless dunes of the Taklamakan lies China's secret Hyperloop factory.
This is the T-Flight. 1,100 kb per hour. Faster than a plane.
No wheels, no friction, no noise. If you stood next to this at full speed, you'd feel a ripple in your lungs, but you'd hear nothing.
Who is driving? Where is it going? Tonight we see how they built the impossible. It starts with dirt. But not just any dirt. Steel that breaks the laws of physics.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. What I found was a scene of industrial might unlike any other.
This ore has 72% iron content. Too pure for cars. Perfect for a tube that needs to hold a vacuum.
They called it agricultural parts, but this crate held the secret. Inside were the German components for their Hyperloop, and the weight was undeniable. Key component, a highly specialized vacuum pump from Germany's Pfeiffer Vacuum, was loaded onto the ship. It was headed for the rumored Hyperloop facility.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. The question is, how much of this advanced Maglev design was actually stolen? The scanner peeled back the layers. Hidden beneath the facade, we found them. The vacuum pumps, the steel, and the metal. They arrived not as parts, but as pieces of a puzzle only 10 men know how to solve.
Deep within the facility, the components of China's Hyperloop began to take shape.
They are working to a tolerance of just 0.01 millimeters. Anything less, and the entire system could face catastrophic implosion.
$50 million of magnets waiting.
From this crude iron ore extracted from the earth, they forged the future of transport. A future that promises silent speed.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. The scale of the operation was unlike anything I had ever seen.
When traveling at Mach 1, microscopic flaws in the welds present catastrophic risks. This die reveals the slightest imperfection. We tracked it down. China's secret Hyperloop factory, laying mile by mile of vacuum-sealed tunnel towards the horizon.
This is where the Hyperloop comes to life. The immense power of these neodymium magnets creates the magnetic opposition.
This requires a full 72-hour cure time before the next stage can begin.
The buffing process alone takes 18 hours per section, ensuring a flawless finish for speeds exceeding 1,000 kilometers per hour.
Every component here is specialized. A single one of these seals runs about $10,000.
With thousands of connections leading to the main brain, the opportunities for embedded proprietary code, potentially accessible by Beijing, were everywhere.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory.
This frictionless environment promises unprecedented speeds, yet the engineering challenges of containing that energy are immense. The evacuation process alone takes 2 hours, putting incredible stress on the German-engineered pumps. At near vacuum, the forces at play are staggering. This kind of structural instability is every engineer's worst nightmare.
It's unplanned learning.
More pressure on the press.
Look at that. A perfect, stable vacuum. We finally tracked down the secret, and it works.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. It was 2 a.m., and the first live test was about to begin.
(1234 kilometers an hour, faster than any plane in the sky.
After tracking it across the desert, we finally arrived. This is the site of China's secret Hyperloop factory.
After month distributed transit.
Only 6 pods passed QC.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory.
YMN 001. The first serial number of a machine they hoped would change everything.
表面完整性可以接受。检查压力密封。
明白，上校。
继续激活群列。
The factory was real, and they were taking extreme measures to keep it hidden from the world.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. But where are they taking the prototype?
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. Hidden in the desert, this facility represents an ambition on a truly global scale.
They said it didn't exist, that it was just a rumor. But here, beneath the rising sun, the truth is laid bare.
The wind erases foot quickly out here.
The secret is safe for now.
Deep within the factory, the future of transport is taking its first breath.
They didn't want us to find this place. But as you can see, China's secret Hyperloop factory is operational.
They claim people can stand at these speeds, but can the human body really withstand this much force?
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. The question is, are they prepared for every contingency? The magnetic bearings must be kept cool. Should this system fail, the consequences for the Hyperloop would be super critical.
I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory. They call this the black box.
The man mopping the floor wasn't just a janitor. He was the original lead engineer on the 1998 project.
From this raw, rusted earth, they forge the future.
The question is, were they high-level buyers, or had the investigators finally arrived?
After months of searching,
They told me it was impossible. A secret factory building the impossible. Now, imagine frictionless
Traveling at over 1,200 kilometers per hour, it was clear the rumors were true. China's secret Hyperloop was fully operational.
The speed is undeniable, but the landscape outside, it feels simulated, almost too perfect.
this is the evidence they tried to bury. You have to watch this now, before it's deleted forever. I tracked down China's secret Hyperloop factory.
Disclaimer. This content is created for educational, documentary, and entertainment purpose using advanced AI assistant production tools. The storyline, narration, and presentation are independently developed from publicly available research, industry references, and original creative editing. Visuals, cinematic sequence, animations, and simulation featured in this video are digitally generated or enhanced using AI tools and AI technologies, including VO3, Meta AI, and Grok AI, with post-production editing completed in CapCut. This channel does not copy, re-upload, or reuse copyrighted content from other creators. All material is transformed through original scripting, narration and editing, and sound design and visual productions. Some scenes may contain dramatized or AI-generated representations and intended to visually explain concept and should not be interpreted as authentic real-world footage. Thank you.